Welcome to the product tutorials on how will the time data split based on the client allocation percentage that you have allocated in the project info. I'm now logged in into the Replicon instance. In this video, I will take you through a project that has been allocated with two different clients with 50% allocation each, and then I would show how time is recorded against this particular project, and once this timeline item is included on the invoice, how the timeline items are divided based on the percentage. So I'll move over to the project management tab, and under project management I have administration as the project setup with two clients, Advantage Technologies and Big Game Inc. with 50% allocation each. Now I'm going over to my timesheet and going to be putting in time against this particular project on the timesheet. So I'm going to be choosing administration and I'm randomly picking up a task. I'm putting in billable time as I need these times to be invoiced, and I'm putting in hours against this particular project up in the timesheet. Once I've put in the time, I'm going to be submitting the timesheet for approval, and I'm going to go over to billing tab to approve the timesheet so it can be included on the invoicing. So I move over to timesheet, I go over to waiting for approval, and I just go ahead and approve the timesheet so that it can be included on the invoice. Now I'm moving over to the invoice tab to create an invoice and show you how the time data will be split based on the client allocation percentage. So I click on add invoice. I choose my client as Advantage Technologies, which is one of the clients selected on the administration project that I picked up. Now I'm going to click on timeline items, and I'm going to choose this month as I did enter time this month for this particular project and client. As you can see here, I only have 20 hours available, whereas if I go back to the timesheet that I generated, I do have 40 hours in total for this particular project. So as you can see in the billing tab or in the invoice that I'm creating, I only have half of the hours available and I do not have the other half, as those will be available for the next client in the question. So I click on timeline items, I choose this month and I have 20 hours available here. I can click on add selected line items and I can issue this invoice if I would like to. Similarly, if I change the client to Big Game Inc., which is basically the other client selected on the project, I can now click on the timeline items again. I can choose this month and I will see that 20 hours are up here, which are the rest 20 hours available for the other client. So based on the percentage allocated to clients in the project info, the billing data or the time data will split in such a way. Thank you for watching the video. Did you know that you can now get in touch with Replicon and stay updated about the Replicon features using Replicon Community? In order to access the community, click on the Customer Zone option available on the home screen of the Replicon website, and on there you can click on the community option up here. The way that you can stay updated about the new features of Replicon, click on the categories options available on the community page and then go ahead and follow the category called product updates. If you want to have any ideas put forward to us, you can go ahead and post those ideas, questions or bugs on directly on this Replicon community, and our product management team will go ahead and answer them for you.